What's up, folks? Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm at Spring.io, and today's episode is all about the Java community. I'm here talking to the developers from all seasons of life and why they're still using Java in 2025. And this is Java through their eyes. Raw, real, and still running strong.
Java is awesome because of the community.
In April, and I met Donald Smith.
Oh,
He's still working
wow.
Oracle, and I met him like 25 years ago, more or less, just in the beginning when I started to use Java, and I was talking with him back in the days, and we met again after 25 years this year.
Java is awesome because
for stability.
It's ever present by now, and it's so easy to work with teams because there's a lot of experience, a lot of libraries built, a lot of inherently accumulated knowledge, personally and also with people you have the opportunity to work with.
how long are you with Java?
25 years. So the funny thing is my IT career is 30 years as well, so I celebrate together with Java.
I started with Java at the end of 95 when my first box I bought was, I remember, something over $100, a big box of Visual J++.
I started Java back in 2002. Right?
Oh,
And I
wow,
was
it's
at
relatively
university. Yeah, at the university. I was developing before that, of course, right, with other languages, but I got introduced to Java at the university in 2002. Right? Well, initially, like doing things like Swing, right, and implementing servlets, and all these fun things that we had in the past.
My actual Java journey started maybe in 2005 or so.
So 20 years ago.
Yeah, 20 years ago.
I still remember when generics came out because I was part of a Java user group and we did multiple events. So, generics really improved, right, how we develop, and we still use that nowadays.
Java is awesome because we can take code that was written 30 years ago and you can still run it in production nowadays. We have some really old platforms that have been going on since 1998.
Because CERN, right?
In Java 1, so we ended up in production in Java 1, Java 2, and so on. And then nowadays you can find commits from the same thing back from 1998.
I used Spring from the beginning,
Like 1.0.
1.0.
Oh my God, this is
I
amazing.
actually used the framework which Rod Johnson put up when he published his the 3 books at Rocks Press.
Spring Boot really changed the game. I always say that it brought the fun back to the Spring development.
The most important Spring release for me as a Java EE developer back in the days was when they introduced annotations.
Oh, let's say now. So when they introduced the annotations, that was a great thing.
Man.
But
High five.
I'm that old, you know? I had to maintain that. It was a nightmare. Moving to annotations was such a good thing.
Yeah.
And then Spring Boot, obviously, it simplified a lot of things.
What was your favorite release of Java?
Probably the most consequential probably was 8.
But I think that Java 8 did a really good job in retaining or keeping all this user base that were looking at other languages. Right?
I think 8 was something which was really like a game changer for me because when I learned about the Streams API, I was blown away.
I would say the Streams, Java 8, if I'm not wrong.
Yes, it's Java 8.
It was a huge thing. And because before that, we had to use a lot of things from outside. Guava, if I
Guava,
remember.
yeah, I used it a lot.
For me, it was Java 11. Java 11 was a release where Java was switching gears from basically time when you could start from Java 8 and probably still retire from Java with Java 8.
There were times from like 8 to 17 when not really much happened. And it started falling behind a bit, but now it catches up.
The velocity of Java is what changes a lot.
Java is more modern than it used to be a few years ago, because with the 6 months release cycle now, they bring a lot of new features.
Nowadays, I have to say that with Java 21 coming out, I'm really happy about the feature set that was included in the LTS. Like
Records?
records in particular, but also virtual threads, things that you might not be interacting with on a day-to-day basis, but they make your life way better. Yeah.
Java is currently integrating a lot of things that I was interested about in Kotlin. Java chose to be more reactive with the community.
And I think it's bringing features to the community that the community has been asking for a very long time.
I have high hopes for virtual threads, for example, or for AOT caching, which will come up. It's very hard to say.
I think nullability, the new one. So I heard about JSpecify. We also use that, or we introduced that in new projects. And really having nullability as a language feature would be great.
Probably Project Leiden. So all the optimization, right? I think that we're living in a world where we're competing, right, in that optimization game.
Even though this is a quite old language, it's still evolving and try to keep that up to date. And it's still a great language. So yeah, I mean, I'm also excited about the next thing we will have in Java.
Brevity is always and gives you clarity when you write code.
This was so beautiful.
And that's a wrap. So now you get why Java isn't just a language, it's a community. If you've got your own Java story, drop it into the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Keep watching to see how we take Java 8 all the way to Java 1 in the next episode.